Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to tap on your language from the list of available ones and save it by hitting Save at the bottom right corner of Languages list. Now tap on Continue twice and click on Start. When you're ready, close an app and then close Launcher app. Finally, you can go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access App Management. Then select Default Apps and click on Home App. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, click on it and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. In order to switch between your layouts, you can always go back to the same settings and click on your default launcher. You can also access Launcher app, click on Continue to App at the top right corner. Then select Allow in the pop-ups and manage all of those options however you wish to, like widgets or wallpaper. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!